Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling NFC and opening Google Pay so the phone can talk to terminals. First, turn on NFC in Settings and confirm your device runs a compatible Android version. Once done, add or verify a card inside Google Pay and complete bank verification. Make sure to set Google Pay as the default contactless app. You're now ready to use Tap and Pay. Keep the phone unlocked when approaching a reader for the fastest, most reliable handshake. You'll authenticate and perform the tap. Unlock the phone using your chosen method. Some terminals require the device to be unlocked for transactions above a limit. Then, place the phone back, centered over the contactless symbol, against the terminal for 1 to 2 seconds. Hold steady until you see a visual confirmation. Once you hear a beep or see a check mark, the payment completed. If a receipt prints or the app shows a transaction summary, review it to confirm amount, and you'll finish by verifying the charge and handling issues. Open Google Pay activity to confirm the transaction and keep any merchant receipt for returns. If the terminal declines, consider the contactless limit. You may need to insert the physical card or choose chip and PIN. Contact your bank for holds or blocks. If tap fails repeatedly, toggle NFC off and on, restart the phone, or remove and re-add the card in Gpay. This usually resolves tokenization or network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.